How to fix emp.dll missing error in Assassin's Creed guide. So if you want to fix this issue, then here's the video. So this error usually pops up when you try to launch a game and it says something like emp.dll is missing from your computer. Now, in most cases, the file is there after download, but your antivirus detects it as a threat and deletes or quarantines it. It's what we call a false positive. It thinks the file is dangerous when it's actually a part of the game. This usually happens with cracked games or modded setups. So instead of downloading random emp.dll files from the internet, which is risky and can lead to viruses, let me show you a safe method to restore it. So the first method to restore is opening your antivirus. For Windows security users, open the Start menu and then type Windows Security. Once you've searched here, you need to just click on the Windows Security, hit the enter. Once it opens, go to the virus and threat protection, which is on the first. Scroll down and click on the protection history, which is right here. Here you'll see recent threats that we detected or removed. Look for anything related to emp.dll or games folder. If you find it, click on it, then select Allow on device. After that, restart your PC and try launching the game again. If you were lucky and caught it in time, the game should now work. Or the second method is before downloading the game, let's talk about how to prevent this from happening in the first place. Before downloading any game files, create a new folder. For example, name it Games. Like for example, I have a folder, and after creating your folder, you need to open up your Windows Security again. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection again, and then click on Manage Settings. Under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, you need to just scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusions, which is right here on the bottom. Click on Yes. And here you need to go with Add an Exclusion, and then go with a folder and select the folder that you've just created. And then download your game file, save them inside that folder. And if you install the game to a different drive or folder, make sure to add that location to the exclusions list too. This way, your antivirus won't scan or detect any important game files during the download or install process. But be careful, never put random or suspicious files in that folder. Only use it for trusted sources. So that's it. That's how you can restore. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.